Hello, dear friend. DaVinci Resolve 20 has been released. There are several exciting new features, AI features in DaVinci Resolve 20. But in today's tutorial, we will know the 5 best new exciting features which you must know, dear friend. All the parts are important. Follow all the steps in today's tutorial. We will discover all these 5 important features practically, dear friends. If you haven't downloaded DaVinci Resolve 20, you can download. We have already in the playlist. Go to the link inside the description box. From there you can download and discover all the features, dear friend. In the last tutorial we discovered several new AI features and other important features, but in today's tutorial these 5 features are game changer milestones in video editing, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into our DaVinci Resolve here. The first major update is about to create a timeline using IntelliScript. Let's see how it works. For this, we have to come here. For example, I have this clip. So we will click here and we will come here. You see here in AI tools here, you can see here create new timeline using IntelliScript. Just we click here. If you have a script here, at this time I have no script. But if you have a script, you can create timeline using this script and it will save you a lots of time, and you can very precisely edit your video, trim your video. And so this try this feature. Now we come for our second feature, which is a very important for us, and we had been waiting for this feature for a long time. So I have this clip here. Just we come here and here you see AI tools. In AI tools, we have to come here. You see DaVinci AI voice training. Using this DaVinci AI voice training, you can train a module and it will change your voice to your selected AI voice, and you can make a custom voice, and there are some voice already available you can use there. Hello, dear friend. If this class is helpful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more DaVinci Resolve tutorial for you, more creative tutorial for you. Share this tutorial to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial and the update and new features about DaVinci Resolve, dear friend. Please consider favor and subscribe. Without wasting time, let's go for our next exciting feature here. So we just click here DaVinci AI voice trainings. You see this window will open here. You can read generate high quality AI power voice over speed with DaVinci AI voice training. Whether you need to natural sounding narration or a custom trained voice tailored to your brand, these innovative features let you craft professional grade audio with ease. So first, when you will open this, you have to download 5 GB data for this AI module, and once it's okay, now you can accept. Okay, now you see here I have this new voice model 1 selected here. At this time this I have module, and you can use this better and faster. I use this better and no start. No, you see generating voice module. No, AI voice module generated. Okay, and now we can just create here and we play. Hello, dear friend. If you have bought a speed editor like me, or you want to buy a speed editor, you are planning to buy a speed editor and you want to get DaVinci Resolve. So now it's a good feature. So now more features will be added here, but it has just started, dear friend. So this is an exciting feature. It change your voice to your choice. The third update is about source tab. You can see this source tab, and this source tab was available only here in cut page now, but this source tab is now available in here in our edit page. And when you click, and it's a very easy to navigate a video or your footage inside edit page. Hello, dear friend. If you want to be a professional video editor, so it's a very easy. Now you can navigate source tab here, and precisely you can cut. And if you have a speed editors, with the help of speed editors, it works fine. Using this source tab, it's a very easy to navigate. If you have several footages and clips here, you can jump from one footage to others very easily. You can see I am jumping here, and in the same way now we have available source clip here, and you see in media pool we have this source clip is available here, and it's a very easy to navigate. Now in the same way you see here we have a timeline view, and you can view this timeline view it will be timeline view will be available here. This source tab is available, and here this is a source clip is available. So it's a good. No, we were using this only in the cut page, but now we can use this in edit page. The biggest new feature which we had been waiting for a long time, it's the same like Premiere Pro. Now you can see keyframing panel is available in edit page. You just click here and it will start working here. For example, I want to start keyframing here for zoom. We just click here. Now our keyframing is active here. You see transform, zoom and XY. Just we click and I want to max like this, give zoom effect here, and when our video will be here, and we will give more zoom effect like this, and when our video will be here, and we will decrease zoom here like this way. You see here like in this way. So now we try and see here like me, or you want to buy a speed edit. So you see here all the panel is available here, keyframing X, Y, you see zoom, and when we come here you see click here keyframing curve. It will know we have keyframing curve actually. Now we can actually give ease and ease out effect here. For example, I want to use ease and ease out, and it will be ease and ease out here. And you can use show handle, it will show handle now, and it's a very cool feature now. If you want to add this, you can add like this one side handle, you can use like this, so you can control like this handle. So it's a good feature. No, it's a really a big game changing feature now available in the DaVinci Resolve 20 update here. And when you come here, you see here you can see parameters. All parameters are here. This is a curve, you can see all parameter, and when you click here you see it will be separate window for this keyframing. Actually you see we have now the separate window here, and we can control all the keyframings from here. So in the coming day we will have more exciting features about DaVinci Resolve, and we will have more detail, because this is in the beta version. Sometimes it may resets and not work properly, but in coming months it will work and stay connected, dear friend, for all types of update. So we just close here, and now there is one also about this keyframing. You see this, when you click here it will appear here downside beneath our timeline. The same keyframing parameters window will appear here. Sometimes it doesn't work because of the beta version, but it's a really a cool and game-changing feature for us, dear friend. I'm so happy. There is a new cool feature about this is a text wrap feature. Actually, let's see how it works. For example, we come take this custom title here, and we place here. Now I want to write several texts here. For example, I have this text, you can see, and we can change the color from here directly. Let's see, come here to layout here. You see here in layout you will find this point. Here you can click, this is actually new feature, text box, and in text box you see here wrap to text box. So you see actually it has wrapped our text box and arranged. Actually you can change the size from here, you see, and you can put position X, Y, Z, and transform you can use. In this way you can resize, and here when you come here you see here use an overlay, you can change the position from here anywhere, and it's a visible. Actually you see here we are just resizing actually this, anywhere we can place it. So it's a really very small cool feature, but we had been waiting for this feature for a long time. You can see other new feature is here. You can clip to text box. You see clip to text box, just click here and it will be visible like this. See here, so here you can resize here and you can change the position here. See here, in this way it works actually. In coming days it will be more clarified, because of the beta version it may sometime freeze and lag, dear friend. These are some major features added to the DaVinci Resolve. There are also some features which we couldn't cover in this class. We will cover in the next class, dear friend. Share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. Dear friend, we meet in the next class.